Every April, you file your taxes. That $1 from your paycheck, it doesn't buy roads or schools. It funds U.S. Treasury bonds. Those bonds pay for fighter jets over Yemen, bombs in Ukraine, drones in Somalia. $1 trillion in interest alone last year, paid to bondholders. This is the hidden tax that never ends. Why now? U.S. debt hit $36 trillion in 2025. Interest payments eclipse defense spending. Your money flows to wars you never voted for. Follow the bond trail. It starts simple. Government needs cash fast. Can't tax enough. Can't cut spending. Solution? Borrow. Treasury issues bonds. You buy them through your bank, pension, 401k, or Japan does, China does. They lend trillions at low rates, thanks to the dollar's global king status. Step 1. Congress approves war spending. $886 billion defense budget, plus $100 billion Ukraine aid, $20 billion Israel package. No problem. Treasury prints bonds overnight. Step 2. The Fed keeps rates low. 4% yields look safe. Banks snap them up. Your grandma's savings account? It holds treasuries too. Global demand soars. Why? Dollar safety. Everyone needs dollars for trade, oil, reserves. Now the machinery hums. Government gets cash, spends on bombs, banks collect interest, you pay taxes to service that debt. Irony hits. The same taxes funding bonds create more debt, a perfect loop. Here's the math. $36 trillion in debt at 4% average yield equals $1.44 trillion annual interest. That's $3,900 per U.S. citizen yearly, just interest, not principal. Compare Social Security, $1.4 trillion, Medicare, $800 billion. Wars, baked into the debt, raise stakes. Who holds these bonds? Top 10 banks control 40%. BlackRock, Vanguard, your mutual funds, own $7 trillion. Japan, $1.1 trillion. China, $800 billion despite tensions. Foreigners hold 30%. They fund U.S. bombs dropping on their rivals. Public story? Strong dollar, safe haven. Reality? Addiction. Without bond buyers, rates spike to 7 to 10%. Debt service explodes to $3 trillion yearly. Cuts everywhere. Wars pause? No, they print more bonds. Zoom to incentives. Defense contractors lobby hard. Raytheon stock soars on conflicts. Politicians get campaign cash. Voters hear national security. No one mentions the bond auction at 2 a.m. funding F-35s over Gaza. Contrast hype. Deficit hawks rage on TV, yet debt ceiling hikes pass 100 times since 1960. Why? Banks threaten crisis. Wars justify it all. Wider view. Global ripple. Dollar debt funds proxy wars worldwide. Allies buy bonds to stay in the club. Rivals like China dump quietly. $300 billion sold since 2015. BRICS nations eye alternatives. Gold hoards rise. Saudi oil priced in yuan tests waters. Long-term trap snaps shut. Interest crowds out everything. By 2030, projections say $2 trillion yearly. That's your kids' taxes. Schools close, roads crumble. Wars, they accelerate. Why? Debt needs enemies to justify more borrowing. Quiet absurdity. The F-35 costs $1.7 trillion lifetime. Each jet $110 million. Your tax dollar bought a bolt in its wing, multiplied by millions. Scale up. Modern monetary theory whispers, we own the printer. True, until bond markets revolt. Japan tried. 250% debt to GDP. Rates ticked up. Panic. Historical echo. Post-World War II, U.S. debt 120% GDP. Inflation erased it. Today, Fed trapped. Inflation hits savers. Wars rage hotter. Final turn. Wars create debt. Debt funds wars. Banks profit eternally. Pause. Next tax season, trace that dollar. Jet engines roar. Who really pays for endless horizons?